Hello everyone, today let's look at our another 12 characters of our HSK1 list. The first character today is能, and it have the meaning of can or be permitted to do something or the ability. Here is a sentence, 我能坐在这儿吗? Here means can I sit here? So this 能 here means can't. 坐 means sit. Here, 这 means here. So the sentence means, may I sit here? And it also have a word here, 能力means capability or the ability. 力 means the power. So 能力 the ability of the power. So 能力 means the ability. Now let's look at how to write 能 together. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11. So 能 have 11 strokes. Okay, next one. The second one is 做. And here is a word for you, 工作. It can be used as a noun and a verb. 工作 means job, a work. Here is a sentence, 我很喜欢现在的工作. This here 工作 means the noun. So it used as a noun here. 我很喜欢 means very. 喜欢 means like. I very like. 现在的 means the current. The 工作 the current job. So 我很喜欢现在的工作. I very liked the current job, or I like my current job very much. Okay, the next one is 我在医院工作 means I work in the hospital. 医院 means the hospital. So the 工作 here is used as a verb. I work in the hospital. Okay, now let's look at how to write 做 together. And its radical is 单人旁. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. So 做 have 7 strokes. Okay, let's move on. The next one is 礼仪. And its basic meaning is the inside, used as an adjective. And the second meaning is the unit of the distance. The first word, 里面 means interior, inside. 面 has the meaning of the side, of the direction. So 里面 means the interior side. 里 means the interior. So 里面 together means inside. And here 公里 means the kilometer. Here 里 is used as a unit of the distance. 公里 kilometer. Okay, let's write 里. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. So 里 has 7 strokes. Let's do it again. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7. Next one. Next character is 那. And it can use as a pronoun, means that, 那. So 我不认识那个人. 我 means I, 不认识 means don't know 认识 means know. 那个人那个 means that. 人 means man. 我不认识那个人 I don't know that man. I don't know that guy. And another word is 那儿 means there. 那儿 this pronounce 儿那儿 So now let's write 那 together. 1、2、3、4、5、6 So now have 6 strokes. 6画 Next one is 下 It's a very basic Chinese character and it have very rich meaning. First, the original one is under or below, and its opposite word is 上 right? 上 we have learned it means up or upward 上下 and the next meaning is means fall so 下雨雨 means the rain fall the rain means raining 下雨 and the third meaning is get off 下飞机 get off the train and we also have learned 上飞机 means get on the train 上下 is the opposite and it can also use as a finish or leave the work or the class. Here, 下班 means you off the work, you finish the work, 下班 and we have learned 上班too. 上班 means go to work. 下课 means leave the class, off the class. And we also have 上课 attend the class. But here, when you say of school, we will say 放学放 here means release. So 放 here means release. 放学而不是下学，下学是错的。但是我们说 go to school, we will say 上学 right? 上学 means go to school. But when you say off school, you should say 放学 And the next one is 下午 means afternoon. And 上午 means morning. 上午 is the opposite. Okay, now let's write 下 together. 1、2、3 So 下 also just have 3 strokes. And the next one is 家 It means the home, the family, or the household. The first one, 我家在北京 means my home is in 北京 pick Beijing. And 家 can also use as a measure word. It can use to measure a restaurant. Here, 一家饭店 means a restaurant. 一家饭店 means the restaurant. 一家酒店 means hotel. 酒 means the wild. 店 means the store. But in Asian China, a wild store also have their accommodation. So 一家酒店 means a hotel. And the next one, 一家公司 公司 means the company. 一家公司 a company. So these 3 options both use 家 to measure them. Okay, now let's try to write 家 together. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、 10. So 家 have 10 strokes. And its radical is the roof radical. 宝盖头 is in this way. 宝盖头. So it's the house related or the roof related. 家. And the next one. 生 it can be used as a suffix. 生 and the first one 先生 先生 means the Mr. or the Sir, and we usually use the family name at the 先生 Wang 先生 means Mr. Wang, 李先生 Mr. Li, and the next one 学生 学生 means student. Actually here 学 means study or learn, so the one who study or learn is student 学生. And the next one 医生 医生 means doctor, 医 means cure, or therapy. You want to cure someone, the one want to cure others. There's a responsibility to cure others. 治疗医治 so it's the doctor. 医生 is the doctor. Okay, now let's try to write 生 together. 1 2 3 4 5. So 生 only have 5 strokes. And the next one 后 后, its basic name is behind, and also can use as a adverb means later. So here 后面 also the same here. 面 means the side or the direction. 后面 means the back side. It means behind. You can use as a noun. 后面 means behind. But when you induce behind something or behind some time, it means later or after. So 后面 also have the second meaning of later. 这个后面再讨论。这个 means that or this. 后面后面 means later. 再 means again. 讨论 means discuss. So 这个后面再讨论。This will discuss again later. So here 后面 means later. Okay, now let's try to write 后. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 后 have 6 strokes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. The next one is 子 子. It's also a very commonly used suffix in the Chinese character. So the first one 杯子 杯子, we just add the suffix after a word. 杯子 means a cup or a glass. The next one 儿子儿子 means son. Actually 儿, if you singly use 儿, it also means the son, but you will add the suffix here 儿子. And 我儿子3岁了 means my son is 3 years old. 3 means 3. 岁 means year of age, so years old. My son is 3 years old. Okay, now let's try to write 子. So 1 2 3. So 子 have 3 strokes. Okay, next. And the last one is nian, nian, and its basic meaning is simply means the year, nian. So 今年是2020年 is choose 2020 year. 2020年。And next, 新年，新 means new, so 新年 means the new year, the new year. And 明年means next year. 明 it means next or the tomorrow. 明天 means tomorrow. So 明年 means next year. Okay, now let's try to write 年 together. 1、2、3、4、5、6. So 年 only have 6 strokes. Next one, 么. First word is 什么，什么. It's very commonly used. 什么 It has the first meaning means what. 你看见了什么 What did you see it? 看见 means see it. So here 什么 means what. What did you see? And the next one, it also have the meaning of everything. Everything used as a noun. 你真棒 means you are so great. 棒 means great. 真 is adverb, means very. So 你真棒 you are so great. 什么都会 you know everything. So here 什么 means everything. 会 means you know something, you have acquired something. 都 or 你什么都会. And the next usage is 怎么 It's a question word used as how or why. 你怎么去北京 How would you go to Beijing? So here 怎么去 How would you go to Beijing? Okay, now let's try to write 么. 1、2、3. So 么 have 3 strokes. The last one is 去 Its basic meaning is simply go and go to, leave or remove. 我星期三去中国 Here 星期三 means Wednesday. 去 means go to. 中国 China. So I will go to China on the Wednesday. 星期三. And here is a verb 去掉means remove. 掉 means off. So 去掉 means remove off. So 去掉 means remove. Okay, now let's try to write 去. 1、2、3、4、5. So 去 have 5 strokes. Okay, that's all of today's 12 character. I hope that you can learn some basic meanings and try to use the words that in the characters. Okay, now see you next video. Bye bye.